You want to go have lunch on Wednesday?
Hey, you want to go climb a weird tree on Wednesday? Hello and welcome to Weird Tree Wednesday, the weekly feature where we say no to lunch plans and yes to weird trees. Here we go, we're just gonna do a little bit of that. Oh, it smells dank in here. Not the good kind. Although I really feel quite content just standing within this hole of the tree, we must climb the weird tree. It's Wednesday and that's what we do. Now today I have somewhat of an unusual dilemma. Do I climb the outside or the inside of the tree? I usually don't have this predicament. My normal tree climbing skills aren't very helpful right now. I think we should like Spider-Man crawl. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh my god. Hi. Don't mind me, I'm just making weird squawking noises. How shall we descend? This is gonna be harder than it was on the way up. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, that's scary. That's all for Weird Tree Wednesday, folks. Now, whether you climb a weird tree or a normal tree, that is simply up to you, but you should climb a tree. And it'd be better if you did it while you were being weird.